going on, everybody? Houston here with Downley Ford of Ashland, and today I want to show you our 2014 Jeep Trailhawk. Now guys, the greatest part about a Jeep Trailhawk is that you're going to find that it's fit for about any type of terrain or activities that you may do. You're going to find that it's going to meet a lot of your expectations and standards and do that job well. So you have your entertainment screen there. It actually has your climate control on the screen as well as your climate control buttons here. You have your different modes, whether that be rock, sand, sport, snow, or auto. Four-wheel drive button, and then your incline, decline options there. Moving on over to the steering wheel, obviously you're going to have your hands-free voice chat, as well as your power locks, power windows, and as well as your power seats. Now also here, you also get the option for extra space and storage here with that second row being able to fold down. But a neat little feature that the Trailhawk offers is a little hidden storage compartment right under the passenger seat. Now this Jeep is in a beautiful orange, actually called Mango Tango. Comes equipped obviously with your front pullers there, so for anything that you may need to pull. Also comes trail rated. You got your trail rated 4x4 badge there. Nice little walk around of it. Really shines when the sun hits. Also comes equipped with your tow package there. So like I said, guys, any type of activities you may do, or a terrain you may face, whether that be snow, sand, mud, rocks, anything like that, you're going to find the Jeep pretty well suited to take that on. So for anybody that's in the market for an SUV, guys, I believe that this Jeep Cherokee will fit you perfectly. All right, it's just at 93,000 miles and just under $15,000. So it is at a great price and it will go very quick, guys. Give me a call. Again, Houston here at Downley Ford of Ashland, 419-281-3673. And I'm extension 1014. Thanks.